Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today video title is guys face lock setting Realme phone. So friends, you want to set guys your face lock in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you set guys face lock in your Realme phone? In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting to set our face lock. Then guys scroll it. As you can see password and security, friends tap here. Guys click on your face lock setting. Then guys continue. First of all guys, we will have to set guys any password and pattern before setting face locks. And guys, you don't have any password, so first of all we will set any password. So example होगा we will take pattern. So we will draw any pattern, but guys, don't forget your pattern. Okay friends, be careful. So we will take pattern, and guys you can see this. Continue. So I tap here, and guys you will have to show your face. So as I am going to pause video, I show your face. After show face guys, you can see this type of notification. Then guys you can see done option. So guys tap here. Then guys come back, and guys you can see guys you have this face lock in your Realme phone. So you can unlock your phone to show your face, and guys with pattern also you want to unlock your phone with pattern. So you can unlock your phone with pattern, and guys you can open your phone to you show your face. So as you can use your face lock setting in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.